Presently, because there is a large number of income tax appeals pending in various courts, various levels of adjudication, whether it is at the Commissioner of Appeals level, or the Income Tax Appellate Tribunal level, or the High Courts and Supreme Court level. People have spent years waiting for the resolution of these disputes, and lots of money is spent both by the government and also parties who have gone to the courts. So with an intention of settling these disputes, and also from the experience that we've had in having offered for a Vishwas scheme for the indirect taxes, we thought, considering and also understanding the response that we've received for the indirect tax dispute resolution that we had offered after July budget, we thought we should come up with a scheme through which for the direct taxes also, tax assessees are given the relief by settling their disputes. And that is where this Vivad Se Vishwas bill has come up. Just to give you a data to understand the dimensions about which we are talking here, as of 30th November 2019, 4,83,000 cases or appeals are pending in various levels, and the tax arrears are to the tune of 9,32,000 lakh crores. 9.32 lakh crores. So we wanted to make sure that the government can come up with a scheme through which long pending disputes can be settled as per a formula without any discretion, and that option be given to all the taxpayers. That is where this bill has been drafted, and it has come to the House. We presented it in the Lok Sabha, it's got passed, and we wanted it to be considered by the Rajya Sabha. Okay. Thank you.
नेशन वन की खबरों के अपडेट के लिए आप हमारे चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, पसंद आई वीडियो को शेयर करना ना भूलें और ज़्यादा जानकारी के लिए लॉग इन करें www.nation1.tv पर। अधिक जानकारी के लिए आप हमें ट्विटर, फेसबुक पर भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं। तो खबरों की ज़्यादा जानकारी के लिए बने रहें नेशन वन के साथ।